guys, my name is Tuba. Welcome to CeoFix channel. If you wanna watch more video like this, always say subscribe. In this video, I will try to show you how can we delete the downloaded Windows Update files. Okay, let's go. Begin quick tutorial. Go to CeoFix webpage and click Download button. Choose Save File options. Open Downloads folder. Right-click Update Folder Cleaner file and choose Extract here. Double-click Update Folder Cleaner file. Confirm the user account control dialog if prompted. It will show a pop-up window with the text. Do you want to delete downloaded Windows Update files? Click Yes button. Just click OK button. Okay, that's all. Please subscribe CeoFix channel. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and you can comment. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.